What is the one overlapping variable between almost all YouTube channels? Is it that they use very good cameras? Is it that they use very good microphones? Is it that they went through a very specific program which then turned them out as a creator, one could say? Is it that so many other things could be is it question here? The one thing I think, and it is also to a certain extent so obvious, it is that they are making videos, and not only like 3 videos, not 5 videos, but most channels that you can see online, because they happen to have a certain exposure, therefore the algorithm might have played out videos from them to you. They have made hundreds of videos. If you take a look at Ali Abdaal, for example, then he at this point in time, as of recording, has 936 videos on his channel. On his podcast channel, he also has close to 500 videos. So maybe it's not the specific thing, it's the fact that one just makes videos, one continues to make videos. And similar to this photography study, where they took 2 student groups and one had to optimize for quantity, the other one for quality. And it turned out then that many of the good pictures were actually from the quantity group, and not just many, but most of the good pictures were in the quantity group. One could then have different interpretations of this, but I think a baseline assumption of at least myself is, and that I also think might be true for the general human, is that we are kind of optimization machines to a certain extent. So as long as you continue to do one thing, you try to improve upon it. And as long as I therefore continue to record videos, I increase my chances of success basically with video creation just by being there. What is the one thing that basically is the overlap between all of the people who happen to have a somewhat reasonable body composition over time? Now there could be different things. Here I think it's not as clear, but let's just take again my example. If I go to the gym consistently, then of course there might be different variables that contribute to this over time. But the quantity needs to be there, because otherwise the quality cannot really happen, one could say.